In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use augmented reality and 3D models in Shopify to elevate your customers' shopping experience. Whether you're a Shopify expert or just starting out, incorporating AR can bring another dimension to how your products are showcased online. So, let's guide you through this straightforward process that will make your online store not only visually engaging, but also more interactive. The first thing you need is your 3D model file, and specifically, it should be in the GLB format. This file type is crucial because Shopify's platform requires GLB files to effectively utilize the 3D model capability. If you're not familiar with GLB, it's a binary file format for 3D models proven to work seamlessly across the web. It ensures that your 3D models are versatile and can be easily implemented across different browsers and devices. Once you have your GLB file ready, head over to your Shopify admin page. On the left panel, you'll see a list of options. You'll want to locate and click on Products. This is your portal to manage everything related to what you're selling. A list of all your products will appear, and from there, choose the specific product for which you want to add a 3D model. Now, this is the part where the magic begins. In the Product Details page, look for the Media field. It's typically found at the top section of the product information. What you're going to do is simply drag your GLB file from your computer and drop it into this media area. As soon as you do, the file will automatically begin uploading. It's a simple drag and drop action, but it's the key step that allows your customers to interact with your products in a completely new way. And that's really all there is to it. Once the upload is complete, your product will effectively support augmented reality features, allowing customers to view and interact with the 3D model directly on their devices. This capability can significantly improve customer engagement, giving people the chance to visualize your products in their own environment, be it in their living room or anywhere they please. Remember, incorporating 3D models isn't just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing the way customers engage with your brand. It provides a deeper understanding of the product, leading to more informed purchase decisions and potentially higher sales. So there you have it, a quick and simple guide to elevating your Shopify store with augmented reality. By following these steps, you're not only embracing the future of e-commerce, but also offering a cutting-edge experience that will put your shop ahead of the competition. Start experimenting with your 3D models today and see how it can transform your business into an unforgettable shopping experience.